Yo, what's up everyone? It's Mark here with M2M Detail. In this video, guys, we're going to show you guys how to fix tint that you ripped or something hit your tint and scraped off the tint on your glass. So stay tuned, we're going to go through all that. Please like and subscribe if you guys haven't. As always, let's get into the video. You guys can see what happened. Tint got ripped by a ladder. So we're going to go through, we're going to fix this up, make it look like it never happened. All right guys, first things first, we're going to get a little snap-on tool. This is all live, so it might take some time. Ooh, first try. All right guys, we're gonna pop this nut out. It's a 10 millimeter. Get this out. Okay, we're gonna put our window down. Let's see. Nice and easy, guys. Just need that little top edge out like that. If you guys don't have one of these, I strongly suggest you guys get one. You just go in, find which side's probably better to pull out. Looks like the back is gonna be the best. And we're just gonna go in there, hook this in, and just pull it out like that. So, pull this back. I'm just gonna lower the window a little bit so we can get this started. Got a brand new blade on here, guys. And we just peel it up a little bit. We just want to peel it enough where we can get our hand to pull the tint. All right guys, old tint's off. Some bad news, all the adhesive got left behind. So it's all sticky. I don't know if you guys can see it. Maybe I'll zoom you guys in, maybe not. Throw some steam, see how it looks. Oh yeah, that's on there. So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna try the soap real quick. Let this sit for a minute, a little penetration. Make sure our blade's nice and clean. And then we're just gonna work it all the way through. There we go. Oh, there we go. Not too bad. This might take a while, so I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse. That's gross. Guys, we got a little razor blade, so this trick helps a lot to get in these corners. We're just gonna glide it and then get this back corner nice and clean. All right guys, now we got a little scrub pad. We're just gonna gently work this in. Do this a couple times, make sure we're good everywhere. And we're gonna roll it back up a little bit. There we go. Then we want to get in here really nice. There we go. Got a little squeegee right here. We're gonna roll this back down. Yeah. There we go. Now we'll grab our Concord. This is gonna get in that crack real good across the bottom, even though we can't see it. But now we're gonna soap it up. Try to let everything fall down. Give this a quick little wipe. Try not to get it too wet. All right, let me go grab the film. I'll be right back. All right guys, so now that we got the film ready, we're gonna drop under this front edge like that. We're gonna slide it down. go. Let's get that back edge lined up like that. Slide it into place, guys. If you guys see how I'm chilling on the sides, I kind of like to hold it as the solution is falling down so it's not getting picked right back up. So I'll hold it down for a second just so all the solution could migrate past that locking point I just did. Grab our little tri-edge. We want to get a little wet, give it a little bit more lubrication. We're going to come up on that top corner. Make sure you're cleaning it all the time so you're not scratching the tint. And we just lock it in like that, guys. There we go. So now we're going to lock in the top edge. Do that, we're going to use this towel real quick, just the dry side of it. Then we're just go to the top. Go to this back side. All right, guys, and now we could throw some heat on it. I'm not gonna throw any heat on it. I'm using very little soap in my tack solution, so it tacks down really quick. Not so good for windshields, but for windows, I'm able to put it in the position real quick and then not worry about it. But if you guys need to add more soap, you need to have more time to play with it, add more, soap wherever you guys are using, baby shampoo, Dawn, Palmolive, wherever you guys are using. I use Palmolive for my window tint. And then just roll it up. I like to put a little bit of pressure on the glass so it kind of lifts it away from the top gasket so it's not forcing the tint back down at you. And then we're just gonna hit this bottom edge. So give it a quick little spray, wipe the edge of our Blue Max. I'm gonna pull this back a tiny bit just so I can go all the way down. And guys, a common mistake I see on a lot of tinters, on these the little lettering right here, guys, make sure you're putting a lot of pressure when you squeegee it out, or in a week or so you'll start seeing a lot of air in there, and you don't want that for your customers. So make sure you guys are putting a nice amount of pressure when you go over the lettering. Do one more. We want to do one more pass for insurance. So you guys see how we're going really hard on that. We do this, clean it real quick, hit down that corner. There we go. Get that all nice and clean. Then we're gonna hit this side, all the way down. All right, and guys, the why I always wipe my edges after I go into a gasket, there's a possibility that you could pick up little debris or little dirt, little rocks and stuff, and then you take it back on the tint and you're more likely to scratch it. So be careful about that. I was doing a windshield one time, went into the gasket, came back out to the middle of the windshield, and I ripped the tint. A little piece of rock got stuck in the squeegee, went straight to the tint. It was a bad day, but it's all good. We learned, always wipe down your tool. Hasn't happened since. Now we're just going over the bottom edge, make sure there's no solution down there. We don't want anything to pull the tint back up. Make sure it's all nice and dry. There we go. Here's our clean side. That's not clean. Here's our clean side right here, guys. Just gently go over the film. Hold this around. There we go. Let me just wipe down this door panel real quick. Then we're gonna go to the outside. Quick little spray, guys, nothing crazy. Just want to be able to see if we have any imperfections, we have any lifting, any fingers, which I don't think we do. Okay. All right, guys, so I appreciate you watching. Please like and subscribe. I'm gonna repeat the same process to the other side, but that's how you fix window tint. Mark out.